It's now time for our segment, Christians Who Have Made a Difference. And today we're going to look at the life of Gregor Mendel. Now, Gregor Mendel was an Austrian, and he was born in the 19th century, in 1822, and he lived 62 years. His early life was difficult, as he came from a poor farming family, but he eventually became a monk, and his monastery encouraged research and academic learning, as Christian monasteries often did, and they often contributed greatly to science and development. But Mendel became interested in the rules of breeding, and he came up with a scientific theory as to how it happened. By studying pea plants, he developed 3 laws for genes and inheritance, and he was the first one to do this. These laws say that male and female parents provide 1 gene each for certain characteristics, e.g. tallness and shortness, and one will be dominant over the other. Not only that, but genes for other characteristics such as colour are inherited independently. That was the second law. And the third law, he went on to say that when egg and sperm come together, they each provide only 1 gene for each inherited trait. So these laws have become known as the first 3 laws of genetics and are the foundation for the science of genetics. And of course, genetics has gone on to develop the human genome and know what that is. So Mendel's research and laws weren't recognised while he was alive, and so they lay dormant for 30 years. They ran counter to the current theories of inheritance at the time, championed by people like Charles Darwin. When they were eventually recognised, they were used almost straight away to develop a strain of wheat that would grow in the harsh Scandinavian climate. Mendel went on to become abbot in his monastery, and he was a good administrator. All loved him for his kindness, generosity, and strength of character. We salute Gregor Mendel, a Christian who has made a difference, a huge difference.